This is Megan Carter Orlando from the EarthChem team. Welcome to this introduction to the EarthChem library. This video will introduce you to the EarthChem library, the data types and formats accepted, and additional best practices for submission. First, the EarthChem library, which I will refer to as the ECL for short, is located at www.earthchem.org/library. It is a data repository that archives, publishes, and makes accessible data and other digital content from geoscience research. By publishing your data in the ECL, you are ensuring that your dataset will be long-term archived, freely and openly accessible, and persistently citable via a DOI or a digital object identifier. The ECL provides repository services for the following data types: compositional geochemistry, geochronology, petrography, geochemical synthesis datasets, experimental datasets, technical reports, software, images, and more. If you do not see your data type listed, do not panic. New data types are continuously being added to the ECL. You may contact us at any time at info@earthchem.org to determine if your data are appropriate for the ECL. Datasets should be submitted to the EarthChem library using the templates available at www.earthchem.org/data/templates. The templates, which were developed in collaboration with primary producers of each data type, help investigators to compile the relevant documentation about the data source, samples, and analytical method in keeping with the recommendations generated by the Editors Roundtable. At this webpage, you can find blank templates and example completed templates. So the blank templates are listed here, and the examples of each data type are given to the right. You are welcome to modify the templates to fit your data type, and again, if you do not find a template for your data type, please contact us. It is likely we can still accept your data type, and you could help to develop a template that is appropriate for you and others in your community to use. On rare occasions, it may be necessary to submit data to the ECL in a format other than the templates provided here. In all cases, submissions are checked by data managers for metadata completeness, particularly with respect to analytical data quality and sample provenance. Datasets that lack sufficient metadata may not be accepted to the ECL or will be tagged as missing metadata. One important best practice prior to submitting data to the ECL is to obtain international geosample numbers for samples from which you generated data. The IGSN is a globally unique and persistent identifier for physical samples that allows for unambiguous citation of samples and tracking of analyses across the literature and distributed databases. We strongly encourage the use of the IGSN wherever possible. You can obtain IGSNs through the sample registry CSAR, or the System for Earth Sample Registration, at www.geosamples.org. There are a number of video tutorials on how to obtain IGSNs in CSAR also on the AIDA YouTube channel, which is located at www.youtube.org/AIDAdata, which you see here. Thank you for watching this introduction to the EarthChem library. For more detailed information on how to get a GeoPass account, how to complete an ECL template, and how to submit your dataset to the ECL, please see our other tutorials. If you have questions or comments at any time, please contact us at info@earthchem.org. This is Megan Carter Orlando from the EarthChem team.